wake up feeling no pain. Long stretches, get to remember it. Then I see my bed is empty on one side, back in the sheet, only place I can hide. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. Sick and weary.
We're here, guys, in our house.
Hindi ka ba kinabahan? Nabahan ako? Nagulat ako ah.
Labas sa pintulit. Do you want a hot cup? Yeah. So by the way, this is my work area. As you can see, Charis. As you can see, very whimsical, very whimsical, and very gardenized, gardenized society. Char. Hello guys. So it's already 8 p.m. and mamayang 9 p.m. ako ay magtatrabaho na. But before that, gusto ko mag-journal. So this is the front view. Charis. This is the cover. Meron tayong dyang paanik-anik. Very cute. Very cutesy ang atake. Gusto ko tong journal na to kasi maliit lang siya. Tapos, sa likod, meron siyang mga lagayan ng mga ballpen, washi tapes, and mga stickers. So, pag nagta-travel ako, ito lang dala ko. Tapos, andun na lahat ng aking kailangan. Buksan muna natin kung anong laman sa kanyang pouch. Washi tape, I have mga dalawang acrylic marker. Papakita ko sa inyo ang aking journal spread. Cover is all about me, of course. Of course, has to be all about me. Tapos yung second page is yung nung kinasal yung aking kapatid ng aking bestie. Tapos ito yung kanilang menu. Tapos andyan yung aking pangalan. Tapos ito yung pinanood ko yung final season ng Stranger Things season 5. Ayan, tas mga design ko rin tong mga sticker na yan nung season 4. Season 4 yan na cast. Ito, movie date with my BFF. Sikihor trip for 2026. Hope yan na pasalubong ng taga Manila. Shinchan noodles. Napasalubong naman ng aming beshiwap sa Vietnam. Si Shinchan. Then, ano pa? Wala na. Yun lang pala, guys. Pero hindi ako ngayon. Hindi ako mag-creative journal. Dito lang ako sa mga monthly notes. Magkano yung aming bill sa kuryente. Mga expenses.
Woke up late, the sun still shines. Awful cold and some peace of mind. All blue jeans, no fancy plans. A good day sitting in my hands.
Wow, lamig!
Dito na. Okay, dito man. Pinatawag mo kami?